Hey there, music enthusiasts! Welcome to House of Records. My name's Emily, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to create your own vinyl record. Are you ready to dive in? It all starts with a simple click on the Start Creating button. We'll begin with step 1, uploading the cover. Here, we can start by uploading both the front cover and the back cover. Let's start with the front cover. Great! Now let's proceed to the back cover. I've created a track list on the back cover featuring both our favorite songs. With the album covers in place, let's groove on to step 2, the inner circles of the record. We'll start by uploading the front, side A. Now, let's not forget the back, side B. And now, the heart of it all, choosing your songs. Simply fill in the song names and artists from popular streaming platforms like Spotify. You can include a maximum of 5 songs on each side. Keep in mind that the vinyl record can hold up to 20 minutes of audio per side, so choose your tracks wisely. Once your favorite songs are in place, add your unique creation to your card and proceed to checkout. The stage is set for your custom vinyl record to shine. Thank you for watching. We can't wait to create something truly special just for you. Your story, your vinyl, right here at House of Records.